Welcome to the paint booth.
Today my husband and I are going to be taking a look at this VEVOR paint booth. We're going to show you what comes in the box, set it up for you, and give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video, however all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. It comes with 2 blowers, tie-down ropes, heavy-duty stakes, fabric patches, needles and thread, and 2 carry bags. Look, it says Tough Tools half the price, your favorite.
VEVOR, love them.
This is the largest size that they make, so I would highly recommend having multiple sets of hands when you're taking this out of the box, as well as setting it up. Essentially, you're just going to start by rolling it all the way out. I'm telling you, this thing is way bigger than I thought it was going to be. At this point, we both said that it looked like a slip and slide.
Let it stretch itself out. There are 2 size blowers for this great product here. An 1100 watt one to blow it up and a 900 watt blower to vent it. After looking at the instructions a little bit, and only just a little bit to double check on what side these go with, very good instructions, lots of pictures, and all the good stuff that you need. The larger unit, 1100 watts, goes on the right hand side if you're looking at it. Smaller one, 900 watts, goes on the left hand side. That's for your exhaust vent. And this is to blow it up.
Make sure the fabric is tied nice and tight around the blowers.
We have tie-down ropes. Go through here. Over, and it does come with stakes also that you can plant into the ground for that strong stability. Zippers everywhere.
In addition to the 2 of us, there were also 2 other people that were helping set this up. So we had a total of 8 hands. I would not recommend doing it with any less than that.
Oh yeah, all that air is escaping. Ugh.
Make sure you close the zippers before you blow this up or it will not inflate properly. But only the zippers on the sides. You do not want to close the door, otherwise you're going to have to climb on the truck in order to open that one. It's starting to take shape, so you can see just how big this is. It is extremely large. This is pretty much when we realized that we should not have closed the front zipper. We also had not added the tie downs yet because we wanted to see just how big it was going to be. And that way we could make sure that there was enough room to pull the truck in and out without any trouble. When you first walk in, you're going to notice that there's fabric on the walls. These are filters for the ventilation system that this tent has built into it. You can get replacement filters for this and they just attach with Velcro. Oh, is this an emergency exit?
No, this is the entrance and exit.
For humans?
Yes.
Huh. Each of those ventilation sections also has a filter on the outside, which also connects with Velcro. The Velcro is extremely strong, so when you go to replace these, you will have to pull. These are the heavy-duty stakes that go in the ground. The purpose of using this paint booth is to make this GMC Sierra look brand new again. This truck really needed some TLC. So we hired a professional auto painter, and there's no part 2 to this one. And the difference was shocking. It looks like a brand new truck. If you are in the market for a large inflatable paint booth, this one from VEVOR is a great option. I do, however, want to note that if it rains, you're going to want to put this in a dry place. It rained very heavy multiple days this week, and despite us actually deflating it, it's still puddled up inside the paint booth. If I had to make one suggestion, it would be to add drains so you didn't have to sop all of this up with towels like we do before we put it away.